what would a Cran and Ray video be without a walk?
Not where my puppies are. Lovely bin. Everyone has it. Okay, we got an interesting predicament here. It's recording.
Hi. Hello. Good morning, everyone. It's like 8:30 in the morning.
What train are we getting?
We're getting this train. No, we're not going to Milan. We're going to Peschiera del Garda, which is
On Lake Garda.
on Lake Garda. It's the closest station to where we are. It's only like a 15-minute train journey. So we're going to go there. We're hopefully going to go on the lake.
On the water.
Go over around to one of the other little towns or villages, and then walk back, because what would a Cran and Ray video be without a walk somewhere?
This time we won't get lost.
This time we won't get lost because we're just walking down the lake, and there shouldn't be any hills either.
Got to Lake Garda, just the corner of it. In what's the town called again?
Well, I thought it was
It's more like Pistachio del Garda. I call it Pistachio del Garda. Gorgeous lake though.
You can see all the mountains in the background as well.
Amazing lake. Yeah, I think this might be up over here. We're getting 9:20 to Lazise. Half an hour ferry journey.
It's the first little village sort of up
I think that's probably over there. I think this is our road. Standing at the back of the boat. Yeah, not got the camera. Oh, it's gone forever. Got ourselves a little coffee on the boat. Although they're giving us full-size glasses, so it's a bit wobbly on here, isn't it?
It's not too bad. It could be worse.
Don't want it to fall over.
Just be really tough.
Quite frothy, isn't it? How's that?
Good.
Amazing place. Lazise. There we are. It's gorgeous, isn't it?
You've got a lot of space to move there, isn't
I'm not wearing my puffy jacket for
Not
once.
wearing your puffy jacket.
Going to the bin for the gum. Lovely bin.
I think I might cut that bit out.
Okay, where do we go, viewers? Viewers? You never know, in about a year's time when we've got 1 million viewers, you know, you might find that people will watch this video.
If you're watching this in a year's time, leave a comment down below.
Ray. Do you want that?
Why do you assume not?
Cat with sunglasses. Basically the start of the walk.
Okay.
Although we've just gone beyond 11,000 steps already. Towards 5 miles, it's going to be about another 11,000 just for that. 22 again today, plus the walk back from the train station. Going to get close to 30, I think, again today. How are you doing?
Hi.
Minor complaints about my walking stance.
You haven't walked with those people that walk in front of you gradually as you're walking. Chris is like that.
Only because I was avoiding a puddle.
You weren't avoiding the puddle though, you were pushing me right into the puddle.
Rachel said there's no hills on this walk, are there?
I said that there shouldn't be any hills on this walk. I was imagining there wouldn't be.
All on the beach.
I spoke to you soon. Sunbathing bed.
Yeah, it's gorgeous that.
Very pretty.
Well, I think that's getting close to halfway between where we started and pistachio nut. Sunbathing there. Where are we, Ray?
Lake Garda still, Chris.
What's this place called? Sunset Bar.
We're sitting here. We're going to have some lunch. We're having our Aperol Spritzes.
Some pizzas. And this is where we are. It's a great place for lunch.
Really nice walk.
Pistachio.
Nice spritzer.
Yeah, I think
Pizza and a spritzer. Definitely, definitely good.
We had spritzer each, pizza
Aperol
each.
Spritz is what we're
Aperol
talking about.
Spritz. It's what we.
Everybody has that here.
Everyone has it. Even the. Well, I don't know. It seems to be everybody.
It seems to be everybody.
Like literally, this is the thing to have, right?
You can't miss these orange glasses full all around wherever you go. And it is quite nice, actually.
It's very refreshing.
It's very refreshing, yeah.
Exactly. You've got to be careful with the cyclist friendly. Okay, we got an interesting predicament here. We need to cross this this leak.
Overflow.
Is that going to be sewage?
Shouldn't be.